Kate. Excellency Dr. William Ruto, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Your Excellency Pastor Dorcas Rigathi, spouse of the Deputy President of this great nation of Kenya, Honorable Musalia Mudavadi, the Prime Cabinet Secretary of the Republic of Kenya and Cabinet for Foreign and Diaspora Affairs, together with your wife, Tessie Mudavadi, our Nairobi Governor, Kaja, Your Excellency Monica Gengos, the First Lady of the Republic of Namibia and the President of the Organization of Africa First Ladies for Development, or AFLAD, Your Excellency Mrs. Janet Museveni, Lady of the Republic of Uganda, Your Excellency Mrs. Rebecca Akufo-Addo, First Lady of the Republic of Ghana, Your Excellency Mrs. Angeline Ndayishimiye, the First Lady of the Republic of Burundi, Excellencies and High Commissioners present, Cabinet Secretaries and Principal Secretaries present, elected leaders and government officials present, all clergy, our members from Joyful Women Organization, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Salamu alaikum. Kina mama, hebu tusalimiane. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Yesu. Wale wako kule nyuma, hebu tusalimiane. Asante sana. Habari ya watoto? Tunamshukuru Mungu maana ameweza kuwafikisha salama usalimini. Najua kwamba tumekuwa na changamoto nyingi kwa ajili ya mvua, lakini hii mvua ni ile tuliombea na tukasema kwamba Mungu atupatie mvua, na tunasema ni asante. Asante kina mama. Nyinyi ni watu wa ajabu sana, kwamba hata kama kunyesha mumeweza kufika siku ya leo. Asanteni sana. Mungu awabariki. I am greatly honored before you today to witness this powerful gathering of more than 20,000 women and men from every corner of Kenya. Your presence here fills my heart with immense joy as we celebrate the 14th anniversary of Joyful Women Organization and launch the Organization of Africa First Ladies for Development, or AFLAD, unifying campaign for Kenya. I extend my gratitude to our President, Dr. William Ruto, for making time from his busy schedule today. Your Excellency, thank you by me. Yes. Thank you. From the moment I shared my vision in 2009 to our gathering today, your unwavering support has been a source of strength to me and to men of Joyful Women. I also want to acknowledge and appreciate the presence of my sisters, the First Lady of Burundi, Ghana, and Uganda, who have joined today to celebrate the achievements of Joyful Women. Together with my sisters, as members of the Organization of First Ladies for Development, or AFLAD, we stand united as we launch the unifying campaign, focuses on 4 key pillars, namely violence, health, education, and women economic empowerment. Allow us to illustrate these issues further.